In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive a user in Google Workspace. This process can be particularly useful if you need to retain a user's data long term, or if an employee leaves your organization but you want to keep their work intact. Archiving ensures you have access to necessary information without it cluttering active user data. Let's get started and walk through the process together. First, you'll need to head to Google Workspace, open your preferred web browser and make sure you're on the main page where you typically access your Google services. Once you're there, you'll want to click on the admin console. You can find this option listed in the menu, so go ahead and click on it. You'll be prompted to log in using your business email, enter your details and sign in. This will take you to the admin interface that controls various aspects of your organization's Google account. Remember to have the appropriate administrative privileges to make these changes. Otherwise, you might encounter restrictions that prevent you from proceeding. Now, locate the Google Apps menu at the top right of the screen. It's easily identifiable, displaying a grid of small squares. Click on it, and among the various icons, find and click on the one labelled Admin. This will lead you to the primary dashboard where all administrative options are available. On this dashboard, direct your attention to the side panel and click on the Directory option. By doing this, you'll access a section where you manage your organization's user accounts. Once you're in the directory, look for the Users section and click on it. Here, you'll see a list of all the active users within your organization's Google Workspace. Next, locate the user you want to archive. There's usually a checkbox next to each username. Check the box for the particular user you're focusing on. Doing so will activate additional actions you can take with the selected user. Now look for the More Options drop-down menu. It's typically placed within the toolbar at the top. Click on the drop-down and a list of various actions you can take with the selected account will appear. From these options, you'll want to choose Delete Selected Users. Don't worry, this isn't the final step to archiving. It simply opens further options for managing the user account. Once you've done that, a new option should appear labeled Archive User. Go ahead and click on it. This action archives the user's data, ensuring it's stored but not actively part of your current user base, helping maintain an organized and efficient workspace. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on archiving a user in Google Workspace. This process not only helps manage your active users efficiently, but also ensures necessary data is retained and organized. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips and tricks.